Okay, there we go. So, there it goes again. Man, things just keep on trying to fall down. What's up with that? Well, there we go. Okay. Now, are we okay? We can see everything? Sometimes in life we must understand the flow of things, which is very complicated to do because we want everything to be flawless, no problems, everything's just great, always positive, always happy. And you know, that's how I try to always make it. I always try to do that. But every now and then things happen and just slap us across the face. Bam! And what do? We definitely need to know the word in those situations, because if not, I mean, life can beat you to your knees if you let it. It won't stop hitting. It won't stop coming for you. So it's not about how many times you get hit. It's about how many times you can get hit and keep moving forward. Some of those times we deserve the punches and sometimes we don't. That's truth. So when you go to a race and you see all these NASCAR vehicles out there, and you know, there's a crowd just kind of hanging out, relaxing, whatever, having fun. As soon as those cars start moving, man, this crowd creates a lot of noise, and that's a good thing. But it's just human nature whenever things start moving for noise to be created, and that's a great thing, very good thing. Along with noise, you get a lot of personality types. You get the positive people who are encouraging, and man, that's awesome, you know, God's moving. And you also get those people who get jealous and start trying to pick apart everything and trying to figure out, well, this is too good to be true. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? And then they try to find flaws in humans, and they will find them. And they can even amplify those flaws. It's just noise, man. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just the flow of things. So basically, when you start moving forward and doing good things for God, there's going to be people that are going to create noise, and it's going to be evil, and it's going to be judgmental and backbiting, and it's just going to try to tear you down as a person and make you look fake and make you look like, why are you doing this? You shouldn't be doing this. And it's just, that's what happened to me recently, and that's what my video was about. So from my heart to yours, I understand that's going to happen to you once you start moving forward, but it's not a big deal. It's just the enemy going, "Roar!" in the background, right? I mean, you know what I do when that happens? The wet noodle dance. Woo, 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 woo. Because God is moving. Ain't nothing going to stop him.